All glories to the Supreme Divine Healers, Shri Shri Amrita Dhanvantari. May the OM-Love be with us. The seventh dimension is very close to our true nature, but nevertheless there are many possibilities for disalignment or lesser alignment with our true loving self, and one of the most prominent ones would be to have the idea that once my illusion and my false self-identification is dissolved, I will merge into nothingness or nirvana, which is basically a Buddhist concept which was later adopted by the impersonal schools of India as well, especially originating from Shankara Acharya. Such ideas and partial realizations may therefore hinder our progress to the realization of our true eternal nature, which can also be realized in this dimension, partially realized though, which is of Sat, eternal existence, Chit, cognizance or divine knowledge, and Ananda, or supreme divine bliss or eternal joy. So there are again many aspects to this dimension, many alignments are possible, and this is just an example of loving self-alignment in the seventh dimension. The eighth and ninth dimension of existence are the eternal existence dimensions, which are actually one dimension. As I said, the eternal dimension compared to the temporary dimensions. But because there is possibility of different moods and relations to the Supreme Being in the eternal dimension, we can roughly divide them into two. Again, there are many layers there, many different moods of relation with the eternal being, and there is a lot to learn here as well about our eternal nature, about our eternal relation, about the possibilities of our true self. And so there are many alignments to be made, which is for those who are initiated on that path, and for those who are not, there are some general teachings to understand about the eternal nature, the eternal realm of God, the different dimensions that are there, what may be our possibilities, etc., etc. So there are many teachings to align with our true identity, and we provide guidance in that as well. And also we can forward you to teachers and masters, true saints who are realized in the subject matter, which I myself am not, but I am connected to a line of masters going back to the beginning of creation, so I can connect you with those teachers and masters who are realized in that very high subject matter. So thank you very much for your attention about what is 108 LSA or integral loving self-alignment. If you have any questions, you're welcome. Your comments are welcome. Your likes are very welcome. And for the benefit of all, please share. Jai Gornitai, Jai Amrita Dhanvantari. May the OM-Love be with you.